What are we working on today, Will?
So we got a Kia Stinger, 2019 3.3, but it's a sister car of the Genesis G70. We're putting some reaction coilovers on. Let's go. I need my stool. Just need some motivation. Hi, babe. Figure it out. So what I do first is take the swivel end links off, take the brake lines, the speed sensor harness connectors off, and release the bolt to the shark. Now we'll do a sec. Now I'm show you. Nope. Speed sensor from off or from plug it on? I just take it off like that.
Oh, like this.
There, that's it.
And then now it's just this arm, main arm, jack.
I did the shock, jack, the main arm, and then to top.
Oh, okay. About that? Sure? Yeah. Shock and main arm. You're fucked up. Shock, jack, then main arm, and the top. Bruh. Break. Bro, I can't keep telling you, bro.
This is one of my secrets, but I'll tell you my secret. Do you want to know my secret? Quarter-inch extension. I forgot what kind of stress system this is called. It's not a McPherson. It's more of a European design. A lot of BMWs do it. A lot of Mercedes, Euros. It's green. So, it's a clamp type that holds you stress it. So what I do in the back of it, there's a special tool that could help you separate it, but I can pay for a damn special tool. A quarter-inch extension fits. So basically, put it in between the slots, in the back of it. Back up, there you go. Give it a quarter turn. Ta-da! Oh, do you guys also know? If you have a G70, Stinger GT, or Brembo, you have on brake lines. And just like that. And you want to see my truck? Ta-da! Neat extension. Hey Rob.
Yeah.
You ever done these suspensions before? You see my trick? Yeah, I just get a quarter-inch extension and separate it.
Oh, so they just slide in.
Slides out, exactly.
Oh, okay. Keep that in mind.
BMW, Mercedes, yada 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 yada. Just get your extension, turn it quarter to spread it.
Oh, sure.
And then just quarter. Shit. Come on. It's a 2.5-hour job. What do I know? One. Two. Got two guys working on the back of this car and still can't get the damn things out.
Congratulations, bro. Bro, I'm just trying not to fuck up. Congratulations, you did coilover extinct.
Never done it. Just pop my extinguisher cherry. Oh.
They changed. Hey, hold on. It's a Maxima kit.
Bruh.
Oh man, what the fuck? Yeah, let's go bust this aboard from Concept 3. So the owner of Riaction is on his way personally to drop off fucking right set of coils. Let's try this again. Did it say kissing or this? Do you even check?
No.
He said this was the 5th one this month. And you know what sounds funny? Because I found workers, they don't want to work. All they do is shit all day, and they're on their phones and watching TikTok. Who does that sound like? Key singer. Okay. Yeah, now that looks right. Okay, in there now.
So it won't require alignment for like a week? Or
K-turbos are pretty shitty anyway, so quicker.
facts. Can't do it today, can you?
It won't work.
Oh, it won't work.
No, because then as it settles, it'll change. Then you pay me twice if you want to. If you're in a bus blow like that, I'll take it. Okay. Hey Rob, do you know the top side and the bottom side of a washer?
Yeah,
What's the difference?
I don't.
Bruh.
Know why you like?
I thought I did.
Kids. Top side is rounded, back side is flat.
Ah, I see it now.
I'm very particular how I put my washers too. Ta-da! Full reaction coilover set with the upper billet top hats. Go to the car. Bolt them all for me. That's it. I'll come and set the preloads in.
And then does it matter what side is which?
No, just put it in. I'll spin it.
Okay.
You know, there's a lot of guys out there that do not know how to set preload. Some of these companies like Riaction, D2s, K-Sport, their struts don't come preload. But the BCs do, Megans do, Tanes don't. Anyways, how you set preload is you get the top spring first, and you twist it until you get a little slight snug. Like it's almost perfectly fitted, like right there. That's your preload.
So these are your favorite wheels?
Do you want to die?
Okay.
There's some bad things with this stupid light.
Why?
You can't get close to a car.
It's too bright?
No.
You turn that off.
Yeah, no, but then there's times that I don't want it on, so then I gotta keep fucking with it and fuck. I lost my Woody. What did he say? You see?
Measured it?
How's that, Shorty?
Sure.
Color. See, that's why I'm so confused sometimes. The reaction changes heights in certain cars.
What's going on now?
This is the second round of adjusting height. I try to set pretty close to where I think it was right, and their ass was too high. But this is simply similar I did to the other car. And the other car was super slammed. And we raised it 3 times. I remember. Ah, yeah. '19 Kia Stinger, another one. Lowered on Riaction Coilovers with the billet top hats. You got the raised wheels with the TE37 Browns with the 19.5 in the front, 22s and 38s in the rear. You got the gyro discs, 2-piece rotors with the counter space brake pads with the Concept 3 brake lines with the matching red, black, red lug nuts, whatever crap you want to put those on. I hate these goddamn TEs.